what we're seeing is major data center clients that are building facilities, and we're talking about 200 megawatts of power, and they're building it from scratch and they're doing it rapidly.
We have the capability and the capacity to start up, commission, and service large data center projects for the life of the project.
When it comes to working in a critical infrastructure space like Nova is, partnerships are absolutely critical. Having a partner that understands what being down means and the fact that our systems have a 0% downtime guarantee, it's invaluable. Bay City Electric really focuses on the customer experience and making sure that we feel like we're taken care of.
We're really proud of our size and our scale at Bay City, which allows us all different types of opportunities for customers, as well as very large regional projects. And the data center world is a big part of that.
We're a benefactor today by having a product that meets the demands of the data center market.
The KD product that came out is a new generation. It's designed specifically for data centers and for backup reliable power. Bay City and their partners make our lives much easier at Nova, because when we need them during an outage or being able to develop those relationships, it's much more personal.
It's peace of mind, it's quality of life, it's safety, and that's really our goal. When the lights go out, Bay City comes on.